If you're looking for landscape lighting design, not cookie cutter lighting, but actual lighting design, which is a thing. Great, beautiful lighting design that when you see it, you know it looks different and it feels different. Dayloom is the company in Virginia, in Maryland, in DC, Virginia Beach. Really in this area, there's no company that has more experience, that has done more projects, that has the wealth of knowledge that my team has and has the product line that we've developed to provide our clients in this area the very best in America in landscape lighting. If you're in Virginia, Maryland, DC, and you're looking for great landscape lighting, look no further than Dayloom. Allow us to earn your trust and let us design your good nights.